but he changed himself to, or he embraced which religion? Buddhism. And what did he, where was he working before? He was working in Bombay. He made a good earning and he wanted to build what? A storied house. Not because he wanted to show that he was very rich or not as a status symbol. He did not want to go with any comparison with Pondiva Patil. Who is this Pondiva Patil? This Pondiva Patil is the one belonging to the high caste who had only one house. That was in the whole village there was only one house which was storied, that was of Pondiva Patil. So here Pondiva Patil came and gave warning to Bayaji not to build which house? Storied house. He told him you can build a house but a conventional three-portioned house, because he did not want to see a low caste man, that is Bayaji's house, also to be which house? Storied house. And Bayaji did not come to the village to take any enmity. So he too decided, or he gave up the plan to build the storied. So he too gave up the plan of building the storied house. So now he started the work of what? Three-portioned house. And almost the work was incomplete. Incomplete or complete? Complete. The house was complete. Now look on page number 142. The house was complete and the traditional housewarming ceremony was planned. Now whenever you have your new house built, after the building of the house, you have a small function. Isn't it? You call everyone, your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, you call them for a small function at your home. That is called as housewarming ceremony. So whose housewarming ceremony? Housewarming ceremony of Bayaji. That is Bayaji's house was complete and he planned for a housewarming ceremony and everyone was invited. Invitations were sent to relatives in different villages. The village elders by convention could not be invited to the meal or refreshment, so they were invited to the ceremonial Pan Supari. Now, I told you what is the background of this story, in which state or which place are we talking about. It is in Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra they have a custom that when they call the relatives, when they call the guest, they are going to have a small ceremony where they are giving them pan and supari. Pan means your betel leaves and supari is your betel nut. Pan and supari. That is a small function where they call everyone. So there was a ceremony of pan supari in the house of Bayaji. Bayaji put up a fine pandal in front of the house. You know, pandal means a tent. Like you have a function at your home, small engagement, you have a small tent near your house or in front of your house, that is called as the pandal. Then his sons worked hard for 2 full days on the decoration. So sons also were working very hard, isn't it? When you are the host of your any function at your home, you are working very hard, because the reason, what is the reason? You want to put up the best, so that guests will be happy. When they leave your house, they will tell, wow, what the preparations they have done. They will be happy. So sons also were busy. Relatives started arriving. For which function or which ceremony? For the housewarming ceremony of whose house? Bayaji. Then, well-known devotional singers. Now, when it is a housewarming ceremony, you don't keep DJ, isn't it? DJ or DJ singers, or you don't invite any singers. Whom are you calling during the housewarming ceremony or during the puja and all? Which type of songs you have? Devotional songs. So who were invited here? There were some devotional singers. Now the names are given there on page number 142. Khadegavkar Bua, Parasu Bua, Kalekar Bapu Master, Jija Bua and Vithoba of Vadgaon came with their troops. Troops means, we say monkey and the troops. Monkey and the troop means monkey followed by many other monkeys. So here all the singers came with their troops. Troops means there will be some who will be playing the drum, there will be some who will be with the flute, all these small instruments. There will be a chorus, chorus. The leader will sing, the chorus will follow. So here they were the traditional singers. Once again we take their names. Khadegawkar Bua, Paras Bua, Kalekar Bapu Master, Jija Bua, Vithoba of Vadgaon. So these were the devotional singers who were invited to the housewarming ceremony of Bayaji. People look forward with delight, even with happiness, to the forthcoming contest. Contest means there was a competition among the various troops. That means there was a small competition arranged between these traditional singers. In the evening, 4 Petromax lights were hung. See, hung meaning hang. Past tense, hung. Did you see here? Hang, hung. So there were some, see this function or this prayer takes overnight, like Shivaratri time and all, you are all awake. You are awake singing, praying, fasting. So here also this whole day was over. The night also they continued praying and singing. So there were 2 lights hung. Petromax, 4 Petromax lights. It lent a unique golden yellow light to the surrounding. Again, lend. L-E-N-T, lend. Past tense, L-E-N-T, lend. He lent me 400 rupees. Lent. You are giving him or borrowing from someone. Lent. So that lent golden yellow light to the surroundings. Guests were engrossed in conversation. Engrossed means occupied. Engrossed. All the guests who came, they were engrossed. So they were so much involved in conversation with one another. Kondiba Patil was soon there. Now you remember the enemy, Kondiba Patil. Now what is the speciality of this man? He is a high caste man whose house was the only house which was storied house in the whole village. So Kondiba Patil was soon there. With him was a thug. Thug means a rascal. Bujaba, not Bayaji, Bujaba. And 4 or 5 seasoned rascals like Vithoba Gayakute and Parasu Martanda. These people felt uneasy. See the opposite. Easy, uneasy. Opposite. See, on a bench you can sit 3 members. If you sit 6 members, you feel very uneasy. You feel very uneasy or uncomfortable. So here all the people, they were very happy. They were engrossed in the conversation. But there was one man, that is our Kondiba Patil and his group. That is all the rascals, including Bujabba. So these people belonging to high caste, they were not very happy to see the house of Bayaji. They were very uneasy. They were not happy. Now you know the reason why they are not very happy. They felt uneasy at the sight of the brand new house. Now what thought is there in the mind of Kondiba Patil, Bujabba? This man belonging to a very low caste, how can he build a house? And that too so beautiful house. That were the thoughts in the mind of those Kondiba Patil, Bujabba. So they were not very happy. They were not feeling very easy, or they were feeling uneasy. The impressive pandal, again arrangements also made so well. So he felt very uneasy. And the crowd of smiling faces. The guests who came also were happy with the hospitality shown by Bayaji and his sons. They were all happy. Their eyes roved all over the place. Roved, R-O-V-E-D, road means it just moved the whole place. Bayaji led them up the stairs in the kitchen. So you remember, right, a 3-portion house. So 3-portion house, but this portion was little raised. From kitchen there were some stairs to correct. So here Bayaji took them or led him from kitchen to the stairs to the upper floor. Bayaji led them up the stairs to the kitchen. The first floor looked like a drawing room. So this was the first floor. It looked like which room? Drawing room. The walls were radiant with blue. Now they are describing the house of Bayaji. Blue oil paint, the fresh color gave out a pleasant smell, isn't it? Immediately oil painting, you know, on our iron doors and all, you have oil painting. So immediately after the painting you get a smell, pleasant smell. framed pictures of great men like Lord Buddha, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and others hung on the walls. So now see, he was a Buddhist. So there were so many photographs of great men like Lord Buddha, because Buddha was their god. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, you know Baba Saheb Ambedkar, he was the one who brought rights for this low caste people. Then Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, the other person who worked against for the social justice, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, that is husband of Savitribai Phule. You remember Savitribai Phule, who worked for the girl education, and others hung on the wall. The loft like first floor was filled with pious means holy, and holy ambience. Ambience means atmosphere. So as they went up, here there was, how you have in your house, there will be a small room meant for puja, or we say puja room. Puja room means understood. All gods' photographs will be there, all idols will be there. Daily morning, grandmother, grandma or your mother will go into and say different mantras and puja. So this is some place where you have holy atmosphere there, isn't it? You remove your slippers and get into that puja room. Do you follow or not? These are some customs. So here, same way, when they entered into this room, it had a pious means holy, ambience means atmosphere. Bayaji spread a rough woolen carpet for Patil. Patil is a very head of the which village. So here Bayaji's duty was to welcome those guests. So he kept a carpet and other high caste people. Patil sat quietly on that. See this Patil, Kondiba Patil did not speak much because he was very uneasy. Having a glance at the beautiful house of Bayaji, he was not very happy. His companions, rather uncomfortable, see comfortable opposite uncomfortable, took their positions around him. Bayaji offered them the customary betel leaves. I told you pan supari, no? So betel leaves. So Bayaji offered him, whoever is organizing the program or function or ceremony, he has to offer the betel leaves. So he offered that. Patil accepted the leaves but immediately gave it back to Bayaji with the remark, yes, it's all very nice. So if anybody offers you such things, no, it is your duty to accept it with whole heart. If you do not accept, they will feel that you are not very happy as a guest. So Kondiba gave it back to Bujappa, and he was not very, he gave it back to Bayaji and said, yes, it's all very nice. That means he was not very happy. But why don't you accept the betel leaves? That was the question of Bayaji. Bayaji asked him, why don't you accept my leaves? Bayaji asked nervously means he was a little tensed. Why didn't he accept? Bujappa smiled artificially and said, it's enough that your offering is honored. Is it all necessary to eat it? Honored means now a high caste man taking the betel leaves only is enough according to Bujappa. You are honored because we came to your function, we came to your ceremony. That much is enough for you, because Bayaji was a low caste man. Patil accepted the leaves, but immediately, that's all over. With this, Kondiba Patil, Bujappa and his companion rose. Rose means they got up to leave. As they came down, now see they are on the top here. As they came down, now there is a stairs. Bujappa felt as if he were tumbling down the stairs. So I told you from outside it looked like a conventional house. But this upper portion was raised so that they will have enough place. So like this was the house of, whose house? Bayaji. So when Bujappa was coming down, he felt like some stairs are there. He tumbled, he was about to fall. So now they got an idea that this Bujappa, what? Bujappa or Bayaji? Bayaji had built which house? Storied house. They eyed one another. They looked at one another as if to say, this untouchable worm has got a swollen head. What is the meaning of swollen head? Swollen head means frown. In spite of Kondiba warning Bayaji took courage to build which house? Which house? Storied house. That means he was very proud. Swollen head means proud. He needs proper handling. Now see, now they have all decided to take revenge against who? Bayaji. What type of revenge they are going to take? We will do in the next class. So till we meet again. Thank you.